Welcome to this complete free Power BI course. Throughout this course, we're going to start with raw business data and build a complete interactive Power BI solution from scratch. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build a report like the one that you can see on the screen right now. We'll create our data model, write tax calculations, analyze sales and profitability, build interactive report pages, and add features such as dynamic metric selection, tooltips, drill through pages, bookmarks, filters, and report navigation. Northstar, which is the fictitious business that we're working with, was generating sales in 2023, but aggressive discounting resulted in a negative gross profit. Profitability recovered in 2024, and by 2025, the company was generating a much healthier gross margin. You can see here on the chart as well that we have conditional formatting applied to the columns or the bars on this chart, where we have the bars having a red color when the gross margin is negative, but when it's positive, the bars are green. We will also learn how to create this kind of conditional formatting on the course. Throughout the course, we'll use Power BI to understand not only how much the company is selling, but whether that growth is actually profitable. Hi everyone, and welcome to this complete Power BI course. My name is Abdurrahman Abdu. I've been working in data analytics, business intelligence, and reporting for more than 13 years, and I've also been teaching Excel, Power BI, and data analytics for several years. My goal in this course is not simply to show you where to click inside Power BI. I want you to understand what we're doing, why we're doing it, and how the different parts of Power BI work together when you're building a real business intelligence solution. Throughout this course, we're going to work with a fictional company called Northstar Electronics. Northstar sells electronics across the United States and Canada through physical retail stores, its website, and its mobile application. Management wants us to transform raw sales data into a Power BI solution that helps them monitor performance and understand whether the company's growth is actually profitable. This is where we're going to start, not with the finished report and not with the pre-built data model. Fact sales contains our sales transactions. DIM product describes the products that Northstar sells. DIM store contains information about the store locations. You may also notice that I haven't given you a date table. That's deliberate because we're going to create our own proper date dimension or calendar table later in the course. We will start by understanding the business scenario. Then we need to connect to our data. Then we'll use Power Query to inspect, clean, and transform that data. After that, we'll build our semantic model, including fact tables, dimension tables, and relationships. After that, we'll build our data model or semantic model, including fact tables, dimension tables, and relationships. Then we'll move into DAX, starting with simple calculations and gradually moving into filter context, iterators, calculate, variables, and time intelligence. Once the model and calculations are ready, we'll build the report, add interactivity, test the report, and finally publish it to the Power BI service. We're going to learn these features during the course with small bite-sized examples and then apply them on the final project at the end of the course. This course is designed so that you can follow it even if you're relatively new to Power BI. You don't need previous experience with DAX or Power Query. If you already have some Power BI experience, you can still use the individual lessons to review specific topics or jump directly to the areas you want to improve. All of the source data that you need to follow the course and build this project yourself will be available completely free through the links in the video description. If you would also like to have my completed Northstar Power BI file as a reference, I've made the finished PBIX available separately for a small fee through the link in the description. You can use it to compare your work with the completed solution, inspect the measures and report design, and your purchase also helps support the channel and future free courses. And my advice to you in order to get the most benefit out of the course is don't just watch me build the report. Pause the videos, write the tags yourself, create the relationships yourself, and build the visuals alongside me. If you find the course useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos with your friends and colleagues. Before we import our first file, however, I want to make sure that you understand the big picture, what Power BI is, where Power Query and DAX fit, and how Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service work together. That's exactly what we're going to cover in the next lesson. So I'll see you on the next video.